Let's go. Mama, get in here. Okay, turn it off. My camera. Say bye. High rocks training done, my boy. And now we're watching Papa and Tito. Yeah, Kiro, hide. Beep, beep, beep. Wow. Good. You got it. Nice. Wow. Job, boys. Oh. Hello guys and welcome back to Motherhood ala Mama Chen. Today I want to share my secret to glowing skin after having 4 kids. Pregnancy and breastfeeding are the most beautiful and transformative journeys I've ever been on. But it's also a time when I've been extra mindful of what I put on my skin. There are some chemicals like retinoid and formaldehyde on my normal skincare that can risk my babies, so I have to be extra cautious. I have to be picky to find skincare that contains ingredients I can trust. And I ended up going with Dr. B-Med, especially this gentle moisturizing body lotion with pregnancy and breastfeeding safe ingredients, formulated and proven in scientific journals by experts in Option, and it has the smell of a day spa. I love it. It's all about feeling confident in my skin while knowing that I'm taking care of myself and my baby at the same time. Safe skincare for moms? Try Dr. B-Med. And this was Motherhood ala Mama Chen. If you would like me to share more, comment down below. Mwah. Bye guys!